Welcome to the UI UX design. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background from any image in Figma. This is the Figma environment already I've opened. So I'm going to bring in picture here. So you can drag your picture from the folder to the Figma environment, or you can come to the tool here, then select the place image. This will allow you to load image from your computer, and you can see it has shortcut here, Ctrl Shift K. So I'll use the shortcut Ctrl Shift and K, and it will open your dialog. Then I'll choose a picture. Let me choose this picture for the first one. So I'm going to take in another picture. So Ctrl Shift K again. I'll browse into my folder and bring in another picture. I need a okay. Let's use this. So I'm going to hold on my sheet while I draw, so to have a very perfect image. So these are the two images we are going to use in this practice. Now I'm zooming in using my mouse scroll while holding down Control. So this will allow you to zoom in and zoom out. So to remove background from any image, so you have to create the outline that suits that image, then mask the image and the outline together. So here now we have this tool here, ellipse tool. Ellipse tool is a tool that I use to draw circle. So I'm going to select it and draw circle around this shape. So I've selected it, then I will draw the circle. So when you look at this circle already, so it has fill. So we are going to remove the fill first. So remove the fill and give it outline stroke. You look at the outline is black, so we'll change the color from here. Let's change it to something like red that will show on black. So we have it, so we need to set this image to fit in, so the image is fitted in the outline. Now what we'll do now is remove the outline, then give it a fill. We've given it a fill now. Then we'll need to bring the image up. Select the image, bring it up. So to bring the image to the forward, you hold down Ctrl Shift and the square brackets, close square bracket. So this will bring the image to the front. You can see the image is in front now, and the one we fill with color is at the back. Let's move it, and you can see. So I'll press Ctrl Z now to return. Now what we do next is to mask this object and the circle we created behind. Now to do this, we select the two together. You can see the line for the circle showing that the circle also has been selected. Now you click on mask. By doing so, you have removed the background from the image. Now you can use this image freely. So that's just the idea on how to remove background from image. Just use this one to show us how it's possible to remove background from image using Figma. So we're going to take this example now. So you have to pay more attention on this because we're going to use another tool. You can see this image is not really a circle. I mean, the person in the picture is not circle, is not rectangle or anything that we can just draw an object and mask it. So what we'll do is that we're going to use the pen tool. So using the pen tool, we're going to draw lines. The pen tool is used to draw lines. So we're going to draw lines across the edges of the image. So don't mind me cutting across the image. So we're going to repair all those things later. We just need to create all these around here. So that is that. So when you look at the outline of this image, the outline, I think, okay, it's just 1 pixel. It's okay like that. So now To adjust the edges, you can see some part of the line cut across the picture. We're going to adjust the edges. Just select the move, or you press V from your keyboard, select the move tool. Now if you try to move this like this is how you're going to do it. Is going to create a node on that point and to be moving it. So you're not going to do that. Instead, just hold down Control, then drag the line upwards to have a curve. So holding down Control will convert the line to a curve, so that you'll be able to move the curve to fit wherever you want. Excuse me. So I hold down my Control and drag on any points. So doing this, we are trying to create outline. We are trying to create a shape just like that circle to fit the object we want to cut out. So you can see we've done a very nice job here by creating an outline across the image. So what to do next is to fill it with a color. Just come to fill color here, click on this plus to give it color, then you remove the outline color by clicking minus on this stroke. So we've removed that color. The next thing to do is to send this one back. The image, the object we just created, is send it to back, or we bring the picture to the front. So whichever. So we've done bring to front on this one. So we're going to do send to back on this other picture now. Now what we do is that we'll select the object like this, then hold down your Shift and Control and press open square bracket like this. You can see the object we just created has gone to the back of the picture, and you can see the outline being traced, showing that it has been selected. Now we'll select everything together now, and I'll mask it. Then you can see the background has gone. So that's just simple as that. You can bring any picture from your computer into Figma environment and do the same thing to remove the background. You don't need to go to Photoshop, or you go to CorelDRAW, or any other software you use to remove background from picture. You can do it in Figma. It's very easy. So this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching.